If you haven't already, go ahead and add some content and some lorem ipsum content to your blog post. We've gone ahead and done that. There's actually a lorem ipsum generator called lipsum, I think, .com. Let me see. Lipsum.org, where you can generate lorem ipsum content. That's what I use all the time. So I went ahead in here and added this just 5 paragraphs of content to each one. And what it's doing right now is it's pulling all of that content and displaying it on the blog listing page. So Jonathan brought up a good point, that's that we have on the HTML theme, we have a read more link, which goes to the rest of it. So I want to show you how to do that as well. So basically right now in our index.php, we called the content, and the content's pulling everything that's listed in the content. There's another option here, and that's called the excerpt. And again, look this up in Google. You'll find out how to do this. It's very, very straightforward. And let's save that change and look and see what it does. Okay, so this is pretty close. What it's doing is adding this little bracket and then ellipsis area here, but there's no link.
Yeah, and keep in mind with the excerpt, you can do a lot of different things with it, and you can edit it a whole bunch. Right now, it's cutting off at a set amount of words, probably like 45 words, and it's saying at the end of 45 words, don't display anymore, display this, dot, or whatever. You can modify that to have these be as long or as short as you want within the excerpt, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to change this to a read more tag.
Yeah, we want to add a link that lets us read more. So if we look up, I've already got it in here, but read more link in WordPress. And the phrasing can be totally different. We're just going to go to where the codex shows us, customizing the read more. It gives you a little bit of basic information, which you always feel free to read this, but here's read more techniques. And these headers will tell you prevent page scroll when clicking the more link, modify the read more text, display a more link when using the excerpt. Well, that's exactly what we want. We're using the excerpt. We want to display a more link. So let's copy the code. It says to show a more link, add the following code to your functions.php. So let's do that real quick. Let's go here and edit our functions.php and go to the bottom of the page and paste that code in. And it's already got a comment here.
So let's do one thing here. With their code, it says on the bottom right-hand side, it says read the full article. Let's just change that to more because we have a more tag just like in our...
Yeah, what was it listed as in our actual theme? Let's go there. And read more. Yeah, that's what it's listed as here. So right here you can see this is the actual this is the return. This is what it's going to be outputting. Your hyperlink, it's going to get the permalink, which is the link to the actual article, and then it's going to say here read whatever we put it. So let's just say read more. And did we have an ellipsis? Not that that matters a ton. Oh, we had ... read more. I'm okay leaving it this way. Let's refresh this page now. Whoops, I didn't refresh it. Okay, that looks right. Actually, that space that they had there was important, I guess. So let's add a space there, and we'll save that out. Now we've got our read more link. It's on each one. If we click it, it will take us to the relevant post.
Awesome.
Excellent. On to the next part.